Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelby and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am super excited because we're going to be doing our February Boxycharm unboxing. I know, I am so excited about this. I have been waiting to film for you guys since I got my box today, and it's been so hard not to open the box. It's been very hard. So I'm going to be unboxing the Premium Boxycharm box today. I cannot wait to open this box and see what kind of goodies we have inside. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service where you can get beauty products, both makeup and skincare. And there's also been some lifestyle products in there as well, I've been noticing. And I am super excited about that. So the base box is $25 per month that are typically around $175. You are guaranteed 5 full-size products. I don't have that box to show you guys in this video today, but I will be getting it hopefully in the next few days, and I will be doing an unboxing for you guys once I get it. So they also have the premium box, which is much bigger than the base box usually. So the premium box is $35 per month. So that's an additional $10, but you're guaranteed 6 full-size products. And normally it's around a $215 value. So I want to let you guys know that I did pay for this box and my base box with my own money. I am not sponsored by Boxycharm in any way, although I wish I was, maybe someday. So without further ado, please make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified of all of my future uploads. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I know that I look super crazy right now. I just have my foundation, concealer, and some powder on because I am not sure what is in this box and I want to test it out for you guys on my face today. Okay, so we're gonna open the box now. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so the theme this month is obviously Valentine's Day. Just super cute. And on the back, it just shows all of the products, the prices of the products, and what the products can do for you. Oh my gosh. I wanted this palette so bad and I got it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got the Huda Beauty Lilac Pastels Eyeshadow Palette. And they're just so pretty. I can't believe I got this. Oh my gosh. I was like praying for either the mint colored one or this one. There's like a pink one as well, but I really liked this one and the blue one. Okay, so we're gonna open her up. Oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous. Those colors, I'll do swatches for you guys. So here are 2 of the colors. I just swatched these 2 right here. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I love them. So that was the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $29. All right, let's move on to the next product. Okay, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer by Rodale? I'm not sure how to say that. I know I'm butchering it. The packaging looks like that. Super cute. Ooh. Oh my gosh. So, Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. That is super pretty. Wow. It is a soft focus glow drops. Illuminate the complexion and achieve a lift from within. Glow with new soft focus glow drops. This skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. And that retails for $60. $60 for this. Oh my gosh. That's pretty bougie if you ask me. But I am really excited to try that. So with Boxycharm, they have add-ons a month before you get your box. So you can pick between a certain amount of items that they show on the website every month. And I picked this Elemis Muscle Ease Active Body Oil. It's a relaxing body oil for tired legs and muscle tension. It has rosemary, maritime pine, sea fennel, and it relieves, relaxes, and soothes. Look at that bottle, and it's glass. Like, that is so nice. My back has honestly been hurting so much lately, and I'm not really sure if it's because I'm a mom and I'm taking care of my 1-year-old and I'm picking him up and cleaning around the house or what, but my upper back, like right here, has been hurting so bad, and it just goes all the way down to my lower back. So that hopefully will help me so much. I'm really excited to try that out. Okay, so the Elemis Muscle Ease Active Body Oil. It retails for $63.50. Dang, that must be a really good oil if it's that much. So the next product up is the, I'm not sure how to say this, but it's Odysseite. It is a Blue Era Turmeric and Holly Basil Cleansing Water. And it just looks like that. It has a glass bottle as well. Very bougie, very, very nice. So the Odysseite Blue Era Cleansing Water retails for $39. It is a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying Ayurvedic herbs, the cleanser sweeps away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step, specially formulated to combat skin-damaging pollutions before they start their toll. Wow, I'm really excited for that. Skincare, anything skincare, I am all about nowadays. Skincare is so, so, so important. I can't even mention it enough. It is so important. You have to cleanse every single day, twice a day. Sometimes I mess up and I only do once a day if I'm really tired or something like that, but it is so needed for your skin. All right, so next item up is the Bali Balm. It's a sweet orange and coconut lip balm. Ooh, I think I saw this in January's Boxycharm, and I think the people that didn't get it last month get it this month, and I really did want it, so I'm really excited about that. It just looks like this. Ooh, that feels really nice. I love the smell of that. Wow, that feels really nice on the lips. And it smells so good. I love the smell of orange and coconut. Like, having those two together is perfect. Okay, so the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm retails for $33. Its essential oils and sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. Well, anything that can do that, I will love. Okay, so the last and final product is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. So I have seen pictures of this one online. So the packaging just looks like this. It's really pretty. And so one side is a pencil and the other side is the liquid pen. Here is the pen. Ooh, that is really nice. Wow. And then here, ooh, uh-oh. I just broke some of the pencil part off. Wow, that's real nice of me. Okay, ooh, that's really creamy. Wow. So that is the pencil and that is the liquid pen. I'm impressed. I mean, Tarte has so many good things, so I'm not too shocked by it. Alright guys, I am back and I finished the rest of my face because we didn't get any bronzing or highlight or blush products in there or eyebrow products, so I figured I would just finish my face off. And I do apologize if you hear my cats in the background. They are wanting to be around me right now and they're kind of playing and being naughty. So sorry, I do apologize. Okay, so we are gonna go in with the Pastels Lilac palette. I am not sure which color I should use. They're all so beautiful. I just want to use all of them. I'm kind of thinking more of like a Valentine's Day inspired look. I know it's not pink, but it is purple, and pink and purple kind of are Valentine's-y, I guess. I also wanted to let you know before I forget, I wanted to add up all of the products and how much they are. Okay, so the Huda Beauty Pastel Palette was $29. The Elemis Body Oil was $63.50. The Rodial Soft Focus glow drops were $60. The Odysite, I still don't know how to say that, cleansing water was $39. The Tarte Double Take eyeliner was $24. And the Bali Balm lip balm was $33. So that comes out to $248.50. That is insane. But that's awesome at the same time because you're only paying $35 a month for the premium box. So one of these items alone will pay for this box, and you're getting 6 of them. So that's a pretty good deal in my book. I think that's a really good deal. All right, let's get back to this look. So we're gonna start off with this deep purple color. It's really, really pretty. Just kind of tap it on there so you don't get a bunch of fallout, just in case. You never know. Oh, I love this purple. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna pack on a lot of this and then blend out the edges. This color is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I really love it. And you want to keep it a little bit lower because we are going to go in with a lighter color and blend it out. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this color right here, and we're going to blend the edges out of this purple that we just put on there. Okay, so now we're going to take an even fluffier brush with nothing on it and just blend out those edges. Alright, so I'm going to pack on some more of that first purple color that we went in with because I want it to be a little bit more vibrant. These colors are really, really easy to blend out. I love that. I've never really used any of Huda's products, but I'm loving this palette. Oh my gosh. Now that that is all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am back. I'm going to go in really quick and cut my crease with some concealer. So now that we're done with that, I think I'm going to go in with this dark purple color right here. I'm actually going to use my finger for this part because that brush is just not doing it for me. My fingers work so much better. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I can't even get over this. I'm going to be using this palette like so much. Huda, you know what you're doing, girl. Dang. I know she has like so many bomb products, but now I'm really eager to try them out. That is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. So now I'm going to put a little bit more of that darker color that we first used back in the outer corner of our lid just to blend the edges a little bit more. Overall, I really, really enjoy this palette for sure. I really enjoy it. It blends out really nicely. The colors are beautiful. And obviously the shimmer color is just gorgeous. All right, now I'm going to go in with that Tarteist pencil duo and see how it performs. Oh, wow. That's really, wow, pigmented. Wow, that really worked. I like that a lot. It's very pigmented. All right, so now we're gonna do the liquid liner. And I am really bad at this part, but we will get it done. Wow, I really like this so far. I feel like it's really good. Like, you can be really precise. And it's really black. Because I've used liquid liner before, and some of them, they like tug on your skin while you're trying to like do your eyeliner, and then you mess up, and then you gotta like try and fix it, and then it keeps getting darker and bigger and bigger. It's like, okay, this isn't working. But I really, really like this one. This is nice. All right, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and I finished off the eye look. I didn't put any falsies on because I wanted you guys to really see the eyeshadow and how pretty it is and beautiful, and the liner. So I decided to just do some mascara on the lashes. I absolutely love how this look turned out. It turned out really, really beautiful. I love the colors, I love the eyeliner, and I will definitely be letting you guys know about the skin products and this primer for sure. I can let you guys know down in the description box or in the comments, or on my other social media platforms. If you want to follow me there, I will leave them linked down below. I know a lot of people get asked, do they think that Boxycharm is worth the coin? Yes, honestly, I think that it is really worth it. Last month and this month, we have gotten really, really amazing products that I enjoy so much. And honestly, I've used a lot of the products that are in the boxes daily. I especially love the Ofra Good to Go Mini Mix palette. That is a really good palette. It came in last month's box. I really enjoy the Hip Dots Note palette, which is this one. It's pretty colorful. So there's a lot of really good products that they come out with. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see any other looks, leave them in the comments down below, or you can comment on my social media platforms and let me know as well. Without further ado, thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye!